In this quick video, I'll show you how to open up your Chevy Impala key fob so you can replace its internal battery at home. Replacing the battery is super easy to do. It'll take you under 5 minutes, and the only things you will need to get it done are a coin and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those batteries, or you just like to pick one up online anyway, go ahead and check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. Now, some of you out there might have a version, this kind of flipping Impala version, key fob, but a different version. I have 3 buttons here. There's a 4-button and a 5-button version. Doesn't matter which one you have, the process is going to be exactly the same, and the battery is the same as well, so you can follow along with me here. The first step is just to click out this flipping key, and now we want to come in where the key was just housed, and we want to push on the lip there to remove this back section of plastic. Now, it's so easy to do that you can actually just hold on to the top here and push it right off with no tools required. Or if it's a little bit tough for you, if it's feeling a little stuck, you can take a large coin like a quarter. And again, you're holding on the top because this section will not be moving. This is the back piece that will be coming off. So you can safely hold here and then just put your coin into this area and twist. And that will just help you to push off this back piece of plastic. Now, all we need to do is find the side of the battery that has this little tab here that's holding it in place, and you can just push down and the battery will pop right out. Now go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in there, make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and you'll just slide it under this little tab and push the other side down till it sits flat. Again, positive side up. And all we need to do now is just click back on this back section of plastic. So line it up, squeeze it on there, you can put your key away, and you are finished. You are good to go. I hope that video helped you out. And if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just by giving this video a like. It shows that we're doing a good job, shows that we helped you out, and we love to hear that. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with videos for almost every device from almost every make or model out there. And you can also get all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.